Come, all you moonshiners, if you want to hear.
Welcome back. I'm George. Hey, what do we do with a violent fermentation? It happens. And we're going to demonstrate that for you. So please comment below, subscribe, share us with your friends. We're happy you're back. All right. You notice I did this last time and I showed you what a regular normal fermentation and probably one that's pretty robust should look like. And that's a pretty darn good looking fermentation right now. You'll notice it's bubbling. But what happens when it, and I can make this do this. What happens when it does this? That's a real good fermentation. I mean, and it keeps doing that. But, oh, lo and behold, what happens when it does this? That's called a violent fermentation. Or George just let too much air. Look at it, it's all spitting out. Well, how do we control that? Oh my goodness, that's a great question, and it's an easy fix. If you have one of these, and this is the other type of airlock as opposed to the double bubble. Ooh. If you open the top of this, just take the lid off, take the small cap out, you'll notice in there there's a tube. You take that tube, you remember that hose I told you about that you needed for siphoning from one bucket to another? Put that tube on that hose, okay? Put that airlock in there, and then drop that hose into a bucket of water. What will that do? Anything that's blowing out will blow out into that water, and the water becomes a lock itself, so it's not going to suck any air back into it. And we call that a blow-off hose. And the reason we use that is because we don't want this stuff all over the place. There are times when you'll have what we call a violent eruption, a violent fermentation. So that's what it looks like. That's how to fix it. Now, are there other ways? Yeah, absolutely. But to me, this is the most direct way to do that. So for those of you who are getting ready to write in about other ways, please do, because other people read those comments and you're just helping the community along and sharing your
Come, all
information.
you moonshiners, if you want
Happy
to
brewing.
hear.